Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel, where we help you save money and live your best life. Today, we're going to talk about how to save money on clothing. Clothes are a necessity, but they can also be one of the most expensive items on your budget. We'll show you 10 easy tips that will help you save money while still looking stylish. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button to show your support. Let's get started. Tip 1. Shop during sales. One of the easiest ways to save money on clothing is to shop during sales. Most stores have sales throughout the year, so keep an eye out for them. Some stores even have sales on specific items or categories of clothing. Check your favorite store's websites or sign up for their email newsletters to get notified of upcoming sales. Tip 2. Shop secondhand. Shopping at thrift stores, consignment shops, and online resale sites can save you a lot of money on clothing. You can find high-quality clothing at a fraction of the cost of new clothes. Plus, shopping secondhand is better for the environment because it reduces waste. Tip 3. Rent clothing. If you only need to wear an outfit for a special occasion, consider renting it instead of buying it. Renting clothes is a great way to save money and reduce waste. Websites like Rent the Runway offer designer clothing rentals for a fraction of the retail price. Tip 4. Use coupons and promo codes. Before you make a purchase, always check for coupons and promo codes. You can find them online or on the store's website. Some stores also offer discounts for signing up for their email newsletter or rewards program. Tip 5. Invest in basics. Investing in high-quality basic pieces like a white t-shirt, jeans, and a blazer can save you money in the long run. These pieces can be mixed and matched with other items in your wardrobe and can be worn for multiple occasions. Tip 6. Don't shop impulsively. Avoid shopping impulsively by making a list of items you need before you go shopping. Stick to your list and only buy what you need. Impulse purchases can quickly add up and blow your budget. Tip 7. Take care of your clothes. Properly caring for your clothes can extend their lifespan, which means you won't have to replace them as often. Follow the care instructions on the tag, and don't forget to store your clothes properly. Tip 8. Buy off-season. Buying clothes off-season can save you a lot of money. Retailers often mark down clothes at the end of each season to make room for new inventory. Stock up on winter coats in the summer or swimsuits in the fall to save money. Tip 9. DIY. If you're crafty, consider DIYing some of your clothes. You can transform old clothes into something new or even make your own clothes from scratch. Not only is DIYing fun, but it's also a great way to save money. Tip 10. Borrow from friends. Lastly, if you need an outfit for a special occasion, consider borrowing from a friend. You can save money and still look fabulous. Plus, it's a great way to bond with your friends. There you have it, 10 easy tips on how to save money on clothing. Remember to shop during sales, buy second-hand, rent clothing, use coupons and promo codes, invest in basics, avoid shopping impulsively. Take care of your clothes, buy off-season, DIY, and borrow from friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button to show your support. We hope these tips will help you save money on clothing and make your wardrobe more sustainable. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.